A Course in Miracles, Workbook, Lesson 5. I am never upset for the reason I think. This idea, like the preceding one, can be used with any person, situation, or event you think is causing you pain. Apply it specifically to whatever you believe is the cause of your upset, using the description of the feeling in whatever term seems accurate to you. I have listed several terms on the screen for your reference during the exercise. The upset may seem to be fear or worry, depression, anxiety, anger, hatred, jealousy, or any number of forms, all of which will be perceived as different. This is not true. However, until you learn that form does not matter, each form becomes a proper subject for the exercises for the day. Applying the same idea to each of them separately is the first step in ultimately recognizing they are all the same. When applying the idea for today, use both the name of the form in which you see the upset and the cause which you ascribe to it. For example, if you think that you're afraid of the dark, then you might say, I am not afraid of the dark for the reason I think. In these exercises, more than in the preceding ones, you may find it hard to be indiscriminate and to avoid giving greater weight to some subjects than to others. You may also find yourself less willing to apply today's idea to some perceived sources of upset than to others. There are no small upsets. They are all equally disturbing to my peace of mind. I cannot keep this form of upset and let the others go. For the purpose of these exercises, then, I will regard them all as the same. Now, search your mind. Try to identify a number of different forms of upset that are disturbing you, regardless of the relative importance you may give them. And then apply the idea today to each of them, using the name of both the source of the upset as you perceive it and the feeling as you experience it. Again, for example, maybe some drivers on the road made me angry. Then I would say, I am not angry at drivers for the reason I think. Go ahead and take about 60 seconds or so. Identify upsets and apply the idea. Okay. This concludes Lesson 5. The purpose of the workbook is to train your mind in a systematic way to a different perception of everyone and everything in the world. The exercises are planned to help you generalize the lessons so that you will understand that each of them is equally applicable to everyone and everything you see. Remember to revisit this exercise 2 or 3 more times before the day is over.